You want straight, clean bond lines on your projects? This video is for you. Make sure to watch this video all the way to the end. We've got 3 simple tools that are going to help you adjust your bond lines quickly and easily. Before you lay a single paver, be sure to get out your chalk line. Snap your lines on your bedding layer. This will eliminate you tripping on your string lines or your string lines blowing in the wind. Another area that is crucial when you start laying, you want to make sure you're perfectly square at a 90. There's not a simpler tool on the planet than our maxi square or even just our simple 3-4-5 square. You have to be square to start. This is going to eliminate pinching or gapping. Another tip I want to point out, many of you are familiar with it. So you have your 3, your 4, across the angle be 5, but you can double those numbers. So it's 6, 8, 10. You can do 12, 16, 20. You can do 24, 32, 40, and you can continue to increase that. 48, 64, and across there you're going to be 80. The larger you make that triangle, the more accurate you're going to be with that square. And if you're laying large parking lots or something like that, you cannot afford to be pinching out that end or even opening up because it's going to just be horrific. Once pavers are laid, everything's perfect, right? Not necessarily. Just even strictly laying pavers, you can get a piece of debris between a paver. Something can get thrown off very easily. So once it is installed, you want to make sure, bring out the dry lines now, start laying out, make sure you're square, use your maxi square for getting that square again, and you can double check and make sure everything is perfectly straight, because that does separate the professionals from the beginners. Once you realize you have some pavers that need adjustment, stop. Don't go grabbing your screwdriver or pry bar. There's tools out there that can really help you do it in a professional manner without chipping and ruining the job site. We recommend the dual adjuster. This is a great tool. It's got the rubber padded end to protect your pavers. For misalignment, if you got a bow in it, this is where you're gonna use a rubber part to hit it back. It also has the heat hardened tooth. This you can get in your joints, and that allows you to pry it. You can twist it to be able to move pavers and shift them accordingly. It also stands upright, so this is awesome even when you're laying your pavers down with your vacuum equipment, you're setting you see one a little out of line, you can simply tap it back in place, set it back upright, and go back to laying. We also have the hammer adjuster. This one here is really for big commercial projects. It works really well. It's got the real heavy rubber pads on it. And this again would be the same function as this, where you're actually hitting products back in the line to keep them nice and straight. We also have the joint adjuster, and this is an amazing tool. If you got to move products a long distance, I say a long distance, which can be an inch or two, this here is really an ultimate tool to get between that joint. It's got the footrest on here. You can put your foot on it to be able to pry it and get it down into the joint, and then you can really reef on this thing with this hardened tooth to be able to move and adjust bond lines accordingly. Again, this is real popular. Larger projects, say driveways, commercial projects. All 3 tools have a purpose and they're all needed at different times on a job site. I will be honest with you, the most popular of these 3 is our dual adjuster. Dual being dual purpose. It has 2 of the adjustment pieces on it, the tooth and the rubber pad. So this is really 2 tools in one. And the nice part about it, it stays upright. You don't have to worry about it falling over. Perfect bond lines are not luck. You're gonna snap your lines, you're gonna square it, you're gonna adjust it, done. Thank you for watching this week's Tip of the Week. If you want to see last week's, be sure to click here and make sure to like and subscribe below. Thank you and have a great week. You can sign up for our Tip of the Week here.
Or you can watch more of our videos here.
You can subscribe to our YouTube channel here.
And make sure you shop our products at pavetool.com.
If you're located in Canada, you can shop at pavetool.ca.
Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to seeing you next Friday.